Hey guys, I'm Lindsay, and I don't know about you, but for me, I have those days where I just don't want to do my hair in the morning and I just want to throw it up real quick. Unfortunately, I'm not the best with that, but thank God we have Frank here to show me exactly how to do that messy ponytail.
It's all about the texture. So far we've got a good bend through the hair. So what we're going to do is just take a dry shampoo and we're going to spray it just at your roots. When I work with it, I work all with my fingers, so you don't really pick a brush up or anything.
Actual no tools needed
no
for this
tools
step,
needed,
right?
Yeah. You want to make sure there's no bumps on the side. So that's what you want to do with your fingers, and you just kind of like glide everything into your hand and just hold it as you work.
Okay.
And the other thing too is exactly where you put it. So it's like really on the flat of your head.
Okay.
You know, too high and it doesn't look right. So you want to keep it, if we're painting an imaginary line, it would sit right in between both of your ears in the middle. So the key is making sure that the ponytail is super tight and just keep going around. And then what you're going to do is you're going to give it a slight little pull.
Okay.
And then just with your hands, you're going to just mess the ponytail up.
So the messier the better, right?
The messier
you just gotta
the better.
Ruffle it up.
We're going to take a little bit of hairspray and then just kind of go through the hair like a pencil.
And is it just for like the flyaways?
It just takes a little bit of the flyaways. But you don't mind a little flyaway, you just don't want it all over. Almost like, just take the hair and just twist it around in your hands like that. Gives it that really cool texture. Then you go back to your dry shampoo.
And that's to add more volume, or just
It just gives it a little bit more texture and separation. If you have some really like flyaways that are longer, you just take a U-shaped pin and it'll hold it right up.
Oh, I feel like that's super deceiving because I always use the closed bobby pin.
No, don't use the closed.
Like...
These work really well.
Awesome.
There you go.
This looks so put together. No tools needed, which is my favorite part. So good.